Even breaking news on some of the earliest stakeholders, left and right. It's not just Evan Williams, who owns now, as we know, a 15% stake, but celebrities like Ashton Kutcher. Tell us about the people behind it.
Well, this has been kind of for years one of the it companies out here in San Francisco, and you know, getting a piece of Twitter has not always been easy. It's, you know, closely held, but hundreds of people have managed to get in the door and gotten.
And it seems like in the earlier days it was a lot easier.
It was. So we wrote about this company, Sumize, that was a search technology company that was really just kind of thrown together in a matter of a few months. Twitter stepped in and saw it as a competitive threat and immediately wanted to buy it. What they paid for it was 10% of Twitter, which is a humongous you know, stake in a company that at the time was worth only $100 million. Twitter was. That stake was worth $10 million. That stake now, going into an IPO, could be worth more than $1 billion. So some big paydays are coming for some of those kind of people who got in the door early on.
Any other early acqui-hires standing to make a lot of money here?
So a lot, yeah, they paid a lot of stock in the early M&A days, but I think over time that's kind of, they've begun using more cash. So so recently, MoPub is the mobile advertising company that they bought. That was mostly stock as well, so stock has been a big currency for them. But over time, they've kind of shifted their strategy in M&A in terms of an employee retention away from kind of stock and more towards cash. So. And
you say the valuation could be as high as $18 billion?
So in the private market, in the secondary market, shares have been trading as high as about $29 a share, and that works out to the high teen billions. So it's all over the map. We don't know where the valuation is at some point right now, but somewhere between 10 and 20 it looks like.